What was that?
The rabbits said they heard a snapping noise too. Whoa! Look at the size of that tail!
After that dinosaur... after that thing.
Oh, we were so close.
Whatever it is, it has pretty powerful jaws. These branches have been chomped clean through. But there's no teeth marks.
A dinosaur with no teeth? This is strange too. Algae. Algae usually grows underwater. How did it get here?
Maybe the creature left it behind. If it lives mostly underwater, that would explain why the rabbits have never seen it before.
Reptile. Big tail. Strong jaw, no teeth. Lives in the water. I don't think it's a dinosaur we're dealing with. I think it might be a...
Look out! Quick, up this tree!
I knew it! That's no dinosaur, just a really big snapping turtle.
A snapping turtle?
Yep, she must be lost and a little scared too.
Where are you? I'll snap you.
She doesn't seem scared to me.
Things aren't always the way they seem, Sam. Snapping turtles feel safest when they're in the water. On land, they're more vulnerable, so they act mean and snap at people.
Hey, who's saying that?
Kit, look. That algae is covering her eyes.
Of course. Snapping turtles often have a lot of algae growing on them. This one has so much, she can't see where she's going.
There's only one thing to do now.
Haircut time. Excuse us, ma'am.
Who's there? Stay back!
Easy. We're here to help.
Help me? How?
We noticed that you have some algae growing over your eyes.
So what if I do? I mostly live in the water. That's where I'm trying to go now. But I'm lost!
We understand. But what if we remove some of that algae for you so you can see where you're going?
Get rid of all this algae? I mean, I would like that.
We promise not to hurt you. Just try to stay calm.
I'll try. Sometimes when I'm on land, I get a little snappy.
Don't worry. It'll be just like getting a haircut.
I've never had a haircut before.
Ma'am, we're highly trained in giving haircuts.
My partner Sam here is going to take a few steps towards you.
What was that?
Easy. It's just a twig.
Now, Sam's just going to lift up the algae
Hello.
and trim it away. Nice and slow. Careful, Sam. Those jaws could take off your finger.
Now you tell me.
Just keep still, ma'am. You're doing great.
It kind of tickles. I can't hold still much longer.
Deep breath. He's almost finished.
I can't help it. I'm a snapping turtle. I snap when I feel nervous.
Hurry, Sam. Just relax and hold the snap in.
I'm trying.
Just a little more. There. Ooh.
Phew. Oh. Hey, thanks. I can see again.
And I didn't lose any fingers.
Thanks for helping me. Even after all the trouble I caused, I'm not a mean turtle. I was just scared.
You don't have to worry. We understand what you were feeling.
And we're happy we could help.
Ooh, still a bit jumpy. Would you mind showing me where the water is?
Right this way.
The dinosaur! It's coming back!
No dinosaur here, folks.
Hi there.
Dino check. No teeth, tail, shell, and 4 feet. Nope, definitely not a dinosaur. It's a snapping turtle.
Phew. I guess Things aren't always the way they seem.
Huh?
Sorry for any trouble. Thanks again for the haircut, agents. See ya around.
Another creature case closed.